In this video, I will show you how to split screen on MacBook. So the first step is to simply open your application. So as you can see, I have here CapCut and then I have this folder here. So let's say I want to split the screen and I want to have both on my screen at the same time so I can use both of them. So what you're gonna have to do is simply select any of the windows, and as you can see here at the top you have this green button. So simply hover your mouse over it, and as you can see you have full screen, then you have tile window to left of screen and tile window to right of screen. So simply select one of these and then simply open the other tab that you want to have. And as you can see now, we can simply resize this based on the applications that we are using, and basically that's it. Now if you want to exit this split screen mode, you're gonna have to hover your mouse again and then simply click again on the green button. Now as you can see, you have the option to replace tile window, you have the option to move window to desktop, and you have the option to make window full screen. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.